How to buy Cytonic tokens. This token came under the symbol of Cyto. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now as you can see, this token is on the airdrop for now. Now to be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Just click on the official website, as you can see, and you will be able to redirect to this page. Now as you can see, click on launch airport app, as you can see here. So after that, what you need to do, you need to create an account. So by clicking sign in or register, click on it. Now you need to for that to connect your wallet, as you can see here. So I will just click on it again. As you can see, connect your wallet first. I will use the Bitcoin wallet for that. Now after that, select the chain from these two, Ethereum or Solana. As you can see, select one of them. Now just log into my wallet first. Now after that, click on connect. So after you connect your wallet, you need to set a username for that. So create an account and now click on sign message. Now click on I agree. So after that, as you can see, you need to make a deposit. So select the chain from here and select the token that you want to deposit on your account. So by clicking on $1, as you can see, or of this token, you can choose or switch the network from here. For example, the BNB Smart Chain or Solana or anything, as you can see here. So make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet, of course, or any token that you use here. So after that, you deposit that amount of money. You can now go on achievement and complete this task to collect the token to be able to collect these tokens and to be eligible for the airdrop. So this is how to buy Cyto token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.